Good afternoon, students. Here, the last topic, as we have already started this chapter and about to complete this chapter, agriculture. So, in this module, we'll discuss the last topic of the chapter, that is biotechnology, agricultural biotechnology, we can say. So, let us discuss. Application means what is biotechnology or agricultural biotechnology. So that is application of biotechnology in agriculture involves scientific techniques such as genetically modified organism, for example that bt cotton, pest resistant plants. It helps in modifying plants, animals and microorganisms and improve their agricultural productivity. Techniques like vaccine, tissue culture, genetic engineering are also used. Benefits. What are the benefits of biotechnology? The benefits includes improve yield from the crop. Because of this biotechnology, the yield means production increases of the different crops. Reduced vulnerability means the chances to face problem are a kind of risk, you can say, or it is a measurement of risk, so that vulnerability of crops to environmental stresses decreases. Increased nutritional qualities of the food crops. Food crops. Nutritional, I hope you understood. This nutritional qualities means that nutrients in these type of crops, the grains, the seeds whichever grown, that have better nutrients than traditional seeds. Improved taste. Taste is also improved. Texture also improved, and appearance of the food also improves because of this biotechnology. Reduced dependence of fertilizers. In this biotechnology, we are trying to avoid the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and other agrochemicals. All these we try to avoid. We are not trying to use such chemicals. And production of vaccine also improves. What are the benefits for developing countries of this biotechnology like India? So genetic engineering technology can help to improve the health condition in less developed countries. As we know that this is a big problem of nutritious food availability in the developing countries, as their financial condition is not very good. So if such technologies are used, so of better and more nutritious food crops can be grown. Researchers from Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, Institute of Plant Science, inserted genes from a daffodil and a bacterium into rice plant to produce golden rice, which has sufficient beta carotene to meet total vitamin A requirement in a Developing countries with rice based diet, as we know that whatever rice we eat, that has negligible or very less vitamin A. But the seeds of rice developed through this biotechnology, that is as golden rice, has a lot of vitamin A which is required, which can complete the requirement of vitamin A to a human body. So this way this is very much helpful for the developing countries. This crop has potential to significantly improve the vitamin uptake in poverty stricken areas where vitamin supplements are costly and difficult to distribute, and vitamin A deficiency leads to blindness in children. So all such problems can be minimized or removed from the developing countries. So such benefits are there of this biotechnology. As the benefits are there, there may be some risk, disadvantages also of such biotechnology. So health related issues. What are the health related issues? Allergens and toxins. We know that some people are allergic. So people with food allergies have an unusual immune reaction when they are exposed to specific proteins called allergens in food. About 2% of people across all age group have a food allergy of some sort. So the majority of food do not cause any allergy in majority of people, but some people are having such problems. Antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic resistance genes are used to identify and trace a trait of interest that has been introduced into plant cell, and this technique ensures that a gene transfer during the course of genetic modification was successful, and use of these markers has raised concern that crescent sorry new antibiotic resistant strains of bacteria will emerge, and the rise of disease that are resistant to treatment with common antibiotics is a serious medical concern of some opponent of genetic engineering technology. So such problems are also possible, that whatever antibiotics are already available in the market through medical science and through different pharmaceutical companies, due to this biotechnology, whatever the different seeds are grown, developed, there is a risk of developing a new type of bacteria and causing a disease which will require a new type of antibiotic, and they will have the antibiotic resistant which are existing at present, because these antibiotics are also used while developing such seeds. So this there is a risk of new type of bacteria develop and cause disease, and there will be a new antibiotics required in future. Environmental and ecological issues. So what are the environmental issues? Potential gene escape and superweeds are possible. There is a belief among some opponents of genetic engineering technology that transgenic crop might cross pollinate with related weeds, possibly resulting super weeds that become more difficult to control. So this kind of problem is also expected due to this biotechnology. Impact on non-target species. Some environmentalists maintain that once transgenic crops that are developed through biotechnology or genetic engineering have been released into the environment, and they could have unforeseen and undesirable effect which have not been seen even before. So that is unforeseen. Although transgenic crops are rigorously tested before being made commercially available, so not every potential impact can be foreseen, but some can be. Insecticide resistance. Another concern related to the potential impact of agricultural biotechnology on environment involves the question of whether insects, pests could develop resistance to crop protection features of transgenic crop. So that way, whatever these already insect pests are there that may develop for means develop resistance for the transgenic crops, whichever new crops will come. Loss of biodiversity. So many environmentalists, including farmers, are very concerned about the loss of biodiversity in our natural environment. Increased adaptation of conventionally bred crop raised similar concern in past century. Such type of problem has been already seen that which led the to extensive effort to collect and store seeds of as many variety as possible of all major crops. So this way there will be a risk of loss of biodiversity also. The old traditional seeds will not be under use, so they may vanish slowly from our environment. Social issues are also possible, like one example taken labeling. Some consumer groups argue that food derived from genetically engineered crops should carry a special label also that cannot be sold commonly with the already existing crops or seeds. So this was the different problems caused by the biotechnology. So what is the role of this biotechnology in our country? So under this program, biotechnology has emerged as an integral part of the Indian bioeconomy. The estimated value of biotechnology sector was US $44.47 billion in 2017, with a recorded growth of 6.8% from 2016. The projected target for the government is to reach the market size value of US $100 billion by 2025. So he still we are up to around 44 or little bit increase up to 2020, but we have to reach up to 100 billion US dollar. 35 bio incubators are that dynamic and stimulating innovative environment in which biotech companies can develop their ideas and technologies. So that kind of, you can say, laboratories have been set up across India with the world class facilities. Here few pictures have been taken from that famous biotechnology laboratories in India. So you can see how the laboratories are full of equipments. The first international incubators, Clean Energy International incubator has been set up under mission innovation by DBT and BIRAC. India enjoys the large asset of R&D, research and development personnel and infrastructure facilities. India has a very good infrastructure for such biotechnology. So this was all about biotechnology for your syllabus for class 8 standard. So thank you students. Please revise this topic in this whatever given in your chapter, and be at home. Keep yourself safe from COVID-19. Thank you. Have a nice day, student.